Activating Google Fi eSIM on iPhone. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to activate your Google Fi eSIM on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your iPhone is compatible. Google Fi eSIM works on models such as the iPhone XR, XS, XX Max, the iPhone 11 series and newer models including the iPhone 15. After that, remove any physical SIM card from your phone. If the Google Fi application is already installed, uninstall it to avoid setup issues. Next, on a computer or tablet, go to findgoogle.com per iOS/quick setup, their website. This page will guide you through the eSIM activation steps. Then scan the QR code shown on the website using your iPhone. This will add the Google Fi eSIM to your device. Finally, download the Google Fi application from the App Store and sign in. The app will complete the activation process and set up your service. And that's all. That's how you will be able to activate Google Fi eSIM on iPhone.